Navigating the new USPTO fee schedule is crucial for startups. We're diving right into what these changes mean for your intellectual property strategy. First, let's establish the context. The USPTO has rolled out a new fee structure. This new fee structure is designed to reflect the rising costs of operation and to modernize patent processes. Crucially, the new schedule impacts patent application costs, especially for, quote, small entities like startups, offering continued, though adjusted, reductions. Now let's analyze the most significant fee changes you need to be aware of. You'll see increases in both the initial filing fees and the subsequent examination fees. This means front-loading your application expenses. There are also adjustments to the maintenance fees required to keep your patent in force over time. Plan for these periodic costs accordingly. With these changes, a smarter strategy is essential for every startup seeking intellectual property protection. It's vital to immediately integrate these new, potentially higher fees into your overall financial projections and IP budget. If you qualify, fully utilize the micro-entity status. It offers the most substantial discounts, making IP protection more accessible for smaller ventures. The timing of your application matters more than ever, particularly around the implementation date of these fee changes. You need to evaluate whether filing your non-provisional application before or after the fee changes takes effect will save you money. Consult with your IP counsel on this critical decision. Prioritize your inventions and consider using provisional applications strategically. This establishes an early filing date while delaying some of the higher non-provisional filing fees. To wrap up, here are the essential takeaways for navigating the new USPTO fee schedule. Key takeaways include acknowledging the fee increases, especially in filing and examination, and actively using the micro-entity discounts. Don't let these changes sideline your innovation. Adopt a proactive IP strategy now to secure your valuable intellectual property efficiently and affordably.